We made it to Maine. One thing about Maine, as soon as you get here, you just gotta start paying tolls like all over. We only came into Maine like 30 miles and had to pay 2 tolls. And because we are a dually, you have to pay double plus something. One of them was $1, so then we had to pay $2.50. Another one was $2 or $3. We had to pay $7.50. So kind of stupid just for 2 extra tires. But Maine, it's beautiful. This is the first thing we've done, and it's already pretty.
Lighthouse. It has been such a wonderful time. We got to see the lighthouse, and there's a lot of grounds and walking areas around there, so it's really awesome. They have that wide open space for people to come explore as well. Did a little bit of swimming. There is like a little beach area to swim. The water was freezing, so I did not go swimming. Nathan braved it and did a little bit of snorkeling to see what he could find, and I just stayed up on the beach, played in the sand. And also while we were at the lighthouse, one of my friends is here living in Maine, in Portland, and so I got to see them. It was so awesome to be able to catch up a little bit, but we are now just gonna kind of explore Maine, make our way up to Acadia National Park, but find things along the way too. So we're excited to see what we can find.
Soaking a lot. It's raining hard. Please just let me stand up there in the rain.
So funny.
Dumb idea, but it was fun.
Utah doesn't get this kind of rain.
No.
It's only in the movies, but it actually happens. Today has been one of my favorite days. We went to Portland, Maine, and we went to that lighthouse on Cape Elizabeth, and it was beautiful having the waves crash up on the rocks, and you could go down and explore down there. We also met up with a close friend of mine today. That was super fun. And then we got to drive through the city and see what Portland looks like. And then also it poured rain, and I love the rain, so I forced Nathan outside of the bus and we danced in the rain a little bit, and it was super fun to be out there. And now we are just on our way to Acadia National Park for tomorrow, but the views are so beautiful. Like, this is just off side of the road. The ocean is just right here. We actually found this little beach access off the side of the road when we were driving, and so we took it, we went down. It was super fun. We were one of the only people there, and we actually polar plunged, which the water was cold, but it felt so amazing, and when we came out we weren't even cold. So seeing one of my friends, seeing the lighthouse, having it pouring rain, polar plunging tonight, and then being in a beautiful place with this fog and view, definitely one of my favorite places. So like I mentioned before, Acadia National Park is our next stop, and we are so excited, so stay tuned to see that. Don't forget to subscribe.